This video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam associated with the site Garend.xyz. So this site Garend.xyz is absolutely fake and really deceptive. Today, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. For instance, Safari is attacked too. And the real purpose of these scare alerts is to trick users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Garend.xyz, don't trust them, don't tolerate them. Simply leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend that you carefully examine the system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.